on an airplane.
Yeah, let's go skydive.
Yeah?
Ready?
Get in, get up, and get out of this thing.
Let's do it.
Heck yeah. Woo. Yep. Good? Yep. Cool. Open back there. Yep. Sit down. How often do you operate? Not very often. Cool. Only a couple times, so this is rare. I really got it. I think you can stand up. Alright, Josh. You just jumped out of an airplane.
Wow.
How you feeling?
Heart's pumping. Adrenaline, nothing like it.
Heck yeah?
Yes.
We got the scenic landing area. Not at the airport.
Near the airport.
Sorry, we got down safe. Would you do it again?
Definitely. Gonna do it again.
That's what we like to hear.
Gotta try other places now.
Yeah, buddy. Phew.